The purpose of EverCommerce is to simplify and empower the business owners whose software really helps our everyday lives. And so it's your HVAC, your plumbers, and all the small and medium-sized businesses that we interact with every day. We brought Audit Board on right about the time that we went public, and I knew how important it was to have a good, solid tool to create a proper control structure and to ensure that the stakeholders understood what our controls are, what 404 was, and a better way to manage it. And so we kicked it off right when we went public and have just building from the ground since. Our company is very complex for being a fairly small company, but we have over 200 systems that we use personally in order to get these software companies up and running and helping all of our business owners and trying to make their lives easier.
Onboarding a GRC tool was very new to me. I had been exposed to several other GRC tools in the past, none as powerful as Audit Board, so understanding all that it could do and how we could use it at EverCommerce was critically important. I think after 2 years of drilling it into them through various trainings and quarterly certification process, we've finally gotten stakeholders' attention to the point that they are way more engaged than they were 2 years ago, to the point that they are, again, coming to us, asking us questions. They're proactively reaching out before they do things within the business to understand what the impacts are going to be for controls and the impacts for audit. So we're starting to see that partnership really blossom.
The idea of risk is something that really brought me to EverCommerce in the first place. And one of the great things in our role and what Audit Board is going to allow us to do is look at the risk overall for EverCommerce and piece everything together. It's something I'm super excited about in the next couple years as it unfolds and we roll out risk oversight, is to see that.
We're definitely in a much better place than we were 2 years ago when we initially went public. One of the things that we're focused on, not only through using SOX Hub and Ops Audit, but the future edition of Risk Oversight, is truly connecting all of those different pieces and trying to give a full EverCommerce view of what is happening within the enterprise. Establishing the objectives, understanding what risks are potentially preventing us from realizing those objectives, and mapping that throughout the entire organization is kind of the vision that I see.